Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Fo32won Amber LED Flameless pillar candles. They are battery operated and come with remote control and a timer in the set of 5. But this is not just another set of LED candles, this is a total new generation of very natural looking LED candles which are hard to distinguish from real natural candles, and because of the price of natural candles have increased extremely, this could be also a very good opportunity to even save some money, and not only save some money but also do something good for the environment. So you don't have to burn candles, you still have the same look and feel, but you're not polluting the environment. So here's the box, and so let's see what we get. We get even 2 remote controls. Yeah, this could be very helpful because we get a lot of candles here, and so you can see they are looking really nice. And also the good thing is they are made out of acrylic, so it's very safe. It's not like a normal glass. This can be a huge safety plus, especially for small children or animals, and they are very easy to set up and use. We have already the remote control with the battery inserted, and so we just pull out this protection and the remote control is ready. And then we remove the lid of the battery compartment here, and we insert normal disposable batteries, or even better, some rechargeable batteries. I've tried already nickel metal hydride. They also work at the end of the burn time, which is pretty long, can be a couple of weeks. The light intensity will reduce a little bit, but if you're using rechargeable lithium ion, they will shine at full brightness till the end of the battery power. So let's add some batteries here, and what we also see, we have large batteries. They are not using small batteries or like button cells or so. These are standard AA batteries. This is also a huge plus. And down here we have also a turn on and off switch. And so you can see the different batteries live in action. Here we have the nickel metal hydride. Turn it on and you can see it looks very natural. Here we have the disposable Wechan batteries, also same thing. Then we have lithium ion rechargeable, USB rechargeable, also works nicely. Then also 2 other disposable batteries, and you can see everything is looking very beautiful no matter what batteries you are using. This is absolutely fantastic, so beautiful and looking very natural, especially behind this glass. I've never seen such naturally looking candles. And I can tell you, this is not just me talking about that. This is really what you feel in real life. And I can tell you a sample what happened. My wife is usually very picky regarding LED candles. And last time when she went to bed, she was approaching the candle and wanted to blow it out. And in another instance, when I wanted to move to another location, I took it like that very carefully. And only after that I realized that it's not natural candle, and you don't have to be careful with the melting wax. So it's absolutely fantastic, and especially when you turn down the light, of course, then it looks even better. This is absolutely fantastic. And also this part here, which looks like normal natural wax candles, and now you can see how the wicks are nicely moving like in a little bit of wind, and it's emitting very natural warm light. And here I can show you the remote control. You can turn them off all in one, turn them on again also at one button press. And the remote control has even some predefined settings for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. You can see they confirm by blinking that they have accepted this command. And the 2 hours function mean not only that they will shine for 2 hours, they will turn off and then be off for 22 hours and then turn on at exactly same time every day. This is absolutely fantastic. 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, and we have 2 different modes. We have the candle mode and we have the normal light mode, and we have also a dimming function. You can see I can dim down them a little bit and increase back to maximal brightness. So very flexible, and yeah, it's very beautiful, and they are not dangerous. They don't pose any fire risk. They are not producing any smoke, no dripping of wax, and are fully windproof. And they're quite sturdy, even though the wick is just holding on a thin wire. You can move it around. There's absolutely nothing happening. As you can see, it's still nicely moving. And so for me, it looks absolutely fantastic. Doesn't get any better than that. And so I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.